Footsteps slow on midnight streets. Rain is singing soft and low. Every drop against my skin whispers stories left untold. That old cafe on the corner, same song playing, same old tune. But the chair across is empty, just like me beneath the moon. Your face flickers in reflections, but you're not really there. Love still lingers in the air. And I keep walking down these rainy streets of memories, tracing shadows where your love used to be. Every heartbeat's reaching out, but time won't let me see. Still I hold on to the warmth of history. Do you hear my name when the rain hits the ground? Does the thunder ever sound like the love we found? City lights like golden rivers, running wild but standing still. People chase their faded wishes, hearts like mine just always feel. Love like ours won't turn to silence, it just hums a different tune. Not an ending, just a lesson written underneath the moon. Your voice lingers in the raindrops, I still see you everywhere, but I turn and you're not there. And I keep walking down these rainy streets of memories, tracing echoes where your love used to be. Every heartbeat's reaching out, but time won't let me see. Still I hold on to the warmth of history. You left, but the rain still stays. Some love just finds a softer way. Maybe someday I won't look back. Maybe someday the sky won't crack. But tonight, in the rain, under neon lights, I still see you by my side. So I keep walking down these rainy streets of memories, smiling softly at the love that set me free. Even though we're moving on, you still live in me. Some hearts remember beautifully.
If love is a storm, I'll stand in the rain. Not to hold on, but to feel it again.